How to add reCAPTCHA on your WordPress website. Let me show you. We have to go to the Elementor and we have to select the setting. There we will find integration, and in that we will have a reCAPTCHA version 2 and reCAPTCHA version 3. So we will put reCAPTCHA version 3. When we click on that reCAPTCHA version 3, it will get started and manage reCAPTCHA. We will click on the get started. Here we will get the version to choose v3 and v2. I am changing my account so that I will set up it on the another account. Okay. Now when we click on the create, we have to give the email, we have to give the web. So I have put the domain there also, and in the domain field also. In the domain field we have to add the domain, and when we click on the submit button, it will generate us site key and secret key. Site key we will put here, secret key we will put here. Score threshold we will put at 6 or 7, and we will save these changes. Now reCAPTCHA is added on your Elementor. Now we have to go to the form and add there a field. If you are using Elementor Pro, add a field of reCAPTCHA version 3. Currently he is showing like this because I have not refreshed the page. When I refresh the page, this label that is coming will be gone. I am refreshing it. Okay, let me show you the website. Okay, yeah, it is open now. As you can see, I have added item 5, and in that we have added reCAPTCHA. Let me show you how it will check. I am using web browser, that's why it is not showing. I have off the shield. Now it is showing protected by reCAPTCHA. Now reCAPTCHA is enabled on your website. Thank you.